channel. I'm Rupali Shah, a blockchain developer and your instructor at Newton School. So, in today's video, we are gonna explore ENS and we are gonna see that how you can get your own domain name on a decentralized network. So, basically we will be creating the username for our decentralized wallets, for our decentralized websites and so on. So let's get started, but before moving to our ENS and before getting the .eth addresses, let me introduce you with the Newton School. It is an Edtech company that helps you to become a full stack developer. So don't forget to check out the link in the description because that will be gonna give you whole information about the course and the course pattern and how you can use this course to become a full stack developer. And the plus point about our website is that we guarantee you a placement from 5 lakhs to 40 lakhs, and in the beginning of the course you really don't have to pay anything. So yeah, the upfront fees is zero. So that's the most important and the most unique thing with our particular company. So don't forget to check out the link in the description if you are someone who is aspiring to become a full stack developer. Now let's jump into the website. Let's see what is ENS. Let's discover the ENS and let's see that how you can have a crypto nickname or a crypto address nickname. So let's get started. So this is a ENS website, and ENS particularly means Ethereum Name Services. So it is similar to DNS for Web2, which is domain name services, but over here everything is stored on blockchain and everything is related to blockchain. So it is basically a decentralized naming for wallets, websites, and more. So let's get started with the website and let's explore it and let's understand that what it is and how you can use it to get your own ENS names, like Ethereum names. So the best part about ENS is that it is on a blockchain, so it will be secure. And this particular thing was introduced to help non-techie persons to get involved in Web3, because we all know that in Web3 your identity is a unique address which is very long. It is a hexadecimal address which is not so user friendly for a particular new beginners or for someone who is not related to tech field. So we got ENS, and this ENS basically help us to have a name instead of that particular wallet addresses, and then your name will be the unique thing. Your name will be the thing which can be used instead of the wallet addresses, because it's very difficult to remember a wallet address. So what this particular website has, let's see that first. So basically, you will be getting a name, and that name would be ending with .eth. So as we know that in DNS, if you have some addresses, like if you want a website, the IP address of a website to get a name, then it has .com, .co, .in and so on. Like right now we have so many things, but earlier it was basically .com. Same way with the Web3 usernames, every username will be ending with .eth. So .eth basically provides you a Web3 username. It identifies that okay, this particular thing is a Web3 username. So that's the speciality of .eth. The same way like .com is like universal DNS name, and same way .in is for Indians and .uk is for United Kingdom. So for blockchain we have .eth. Now, what is ENS and how it works? Let's discover that. So, the full form of ENS we have already discussed that it is a Ethereum name service. So, what actually it does is that this particular nick.eth will be binded with your wallet address. Let me show you MetaMask, and Let's just open our MetaMask for a while and we will be discovering that how it works then. It is taking a bit while, but let's wait and then we will be getting that okay what how it works and what it is. So we have this particular address which start from 0x to cc something and it ends with e9. So what this ENS does for us is it will take nick.eth and it will bind nick.eth with this particular address, so that in future if someone want to transfer you funds, instead of using this particular address which is very difficult to remember, the person could directly send you ethers with the help of your name which is nick.eth. So this ENS is basically on Ethereum blockchain and it has two smart contracts. One is the registry smart contract and the second one is the resolver smart contract. The registry smart contract basically has three information. The first information is the user, the address of the user who wants to have a nickname or a username on Web3. Then the second thing is the resolver address, the person who actually helps you to resolve your name with the into the hexadecimal values for the machine. And the third is your wallet address or any decentralized website what is that IP address, something like that. So and the resolver smart contracts basically helps you to convert your particular name into the hexadecimal values. So this is how ENS works. It is very similar to DNS because in DNS we have seen that whenever someone types google.com, it will be searching in the DNS sheet that what is the IP address of Google, and then with that particular IP address you would be getting your services. So same way in Web3, if you don't want to remember those hexadecimal values, if you don't want to remember those 16 digit values which has letters and numbers, you could simply bind those numbers with a particular nickname or with a particular username, and then it becomes very easy for a non-tech guy to work with Web3. So that was the most important thing over here, and that's why I want to discuss this particular thing with you guys on the channel, because I know that ENS is something which you would really like to use, you would really like to explore, and you would really like to have knowledge of. So this particular website also provides you a documentation, and you can go through the documentation, you can get that how you can have your own username. Okay, we got a network break, but no issues. Let's just move backward. You could explore this particular documentation, and the traditional domains like I told you is like .com, .org, .io, .in. Same way for Ethereum we have .eth. And this particular ENS ecosystem has many wallets involved in it and many apps involved in it, so you can actually have your MetaMask wallet address converted to or bind with your own username, so that anytime if you want someone to send you some ethers, then you can use this particular name in username instead of that hexadecimal values. So I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video, because it also motivates us to create more stuff on decentralized ecosystem and Web3 on the channel. Plus it will also give you an update of the upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching our videos.